Alright, welcome back everybody, it's Julian Crypto. Today, important news. CPI US inflation rate will be revealed. Bitcoin surges today before US inflation results 5%. CPI forecast is around 0.3%. It's right here and we will be observing this. Results lower than expected are bullish for BTC and higher than expected are bearish for BTC. Also, let's take a look at funding rates, which seems they are overheating right now. For sure, the Bitcoin price will react to these readings. And also, let's take a look at Max order book right now. The support zones are somewhere at $80,000 and the resistance zone is somewhere at 18,500. Alright, but why the BTC rises? Is it because of CPI? Because if you see, the Nasdaq didn't rise at all. Nasdaq and Bitcoin rises much more than Nasdaq 100. So, why Bitcoin rises? Maybe because of SBF. Let's take a look at this. FTX, collapsed crypto exchange. Giant FTX recovers over 5 billion of assets. Exchange FTX has located more than 5 billion of assets, an attorney for the firm says. Prosecutors has accused FTX former chief executive Sam Bankman-Fried of orchestrating an epic fraud that may have cost investors, customers and lenders billions of dollars. FTX, which a year ago was valuated at $32 billion, filed for a bankruptcy protection then, 11 November. It has been estimated that they had 8 billion of customers' fund that was missing, and Mr. Bankman-Fried pled not guilty to the charges that he cheated investors. In an interview with BBC News before his arrest, he said, "I didn't knowingly commit fraud. I didn't think I committed fraud. I didn't want any of this happen. I was certainly not nearly as competent as I thought I was." And what is going on right now? We have located over 5 billion of cash, liquid cryptocurrency and liquid investment securities measured as petition date value. Our holdings are so large relative to the total supply that our position cannot be sold without substantially affecting the market for the token, said Landis Ruff and Co. attorney Adam Landis on FTX behalf. So, if they will start repaying the customers, the Bitcoin price may have fallen because of that sell-off. But also, Salvador event right here. El Salvador passed a law allowing Bitcoin bond sales. Lawmakers approved legislation that aims to facilitate the raising of funds tied to the value of cryptocurrency and other digital assets. Great news for Bitcoin and for Salvador. Next piece of news, Avalanche. Avalanche surged following news that network has partnered with web hosting services Amazon Web Services to accelerate enterprise institutional and government adoption of blockchain, and Avalanche rises 27% to BTC. Additionally, leading Web3 wallet platform Exodus has also announced support for Avalanche this week. We are working on Max Data on such bots, so you will be informed anytime they are tweeting anything important about altcoins. Like, for example, it was 1 month ago when Trader Joe tweeted about they are going to multi-chain, to Ethereum chain, and they rose over 31% to BTC in just one day. Such tweets will be sent to you via SMS, via Callerbot, via Telegram instantly. So go and sign on Max Data. And what is going on with Litecoin? Litecoin halving is scheduled for August 2023, so in 6 months. Litecoin's halving means miners will receive half of their current reward of 6.25 LTC, and historically, price tendencies showcase a rise of LTC to BTC of around 40% 6 months before halving. Tell me in the comments, would you buy LTC right now to gain around 50 or 40% gains to BTC? Tell me in the comments what is your decision. And of course, remember, nothing here is financial advice. You have your own decision and you should make your analysis by yourself. Here, Max Data. News. FTX collapses, crypto giants recover 5 billion of assets. What is going on next? Let's take a look at Crypto World. Yuga Labs announces skill-based NFT mint. Draft climate law threatens fines for data centers that don't cut their carbon account. What else? Bitcoin and Grayscale and Ethereum Trust generates Bitcoin's billions in fees. Will Celsius earn account get their money back? Coinbase junk bonds further downgrade by S&P on weak profitability. Brazilian cryptocurrency law likely to be reviewed by Lula government. And what is going on next? What is going on in the crypto world? I'm looking for the news. DCG, Digital Currency Group, responds as Gemini accuses company of fraud. What is going on next? City of London, British Trade Group, form new digital currency advocacy alliance. Bitcoin price rally to 18k, possibly as 275 million in BTC options expire on Friday. And Tom Brady owned more than $1 million FTX shares before collapse, a stake that likely probably gone. Okay, for today that's all. See you guys and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.